apart. What do you do when your back's against the wall? What do you say when they feel our hope is gone? I might say go, but God said no, not yet. It's not your time, hold on, and I will do the rest. Lay that wait upon the Lord. Oh, lay that wait upon the Lord. Shower new, shower new, shower new their strength. Shower new, shower new, shower new their strength.
Update your watch here to keep watch working. Probably install the latest watch update, which I thought I did. Oh, it's doing that now. That's why it's loading. Here's the Google Fit. You just gotta set it up, track activity goals, calories, and more. I guess it's gonna make me work out a little more because I gained some weight. Here, I guess they're updating with the watch faces here, notifications here. What's this? I can't read. Calendar, Apple, and Google Assistant, advanced settings. Tap into notifications. It has Gmail turned on. Yeah. I was expecting to see messages too, but I guess that's just automatic. So it's saying my Apple Calendar, because iOS. And then Google Assistant, just explore, I guess. Oh, don't like that. You explore, I guess if you have any questions or anything like that. Advanced settings. So accounts on your watch. So it's accounts on your watch, privacy settings, watch battery, tilt to wake. Oh, that's good. I'm glad that's enabled. So when your phone is, your watch is probably saving battery. I might get a screen protector. But yeah. So like when your phone, it don't have to stay on. So you just go like this. Oh, this is the time. Blah blah blah. Always on screen. So it's either I have it like a turn on with tilt, or I just keep it on constantly. I'll see what I would like, but it's like at least they give you a decision to see what exactly you want to do. Let's just tap into them. Accounts to your watch. Okay, so that's all my stuff there. I'm gonna turn on my school one too, so you can turn on whatever. Oh wow, so it's copying also too. Yeah, I need my school email on there too because I just got to get notifications on what's going on. And I'm going to do school videos too, and then I'm just covering up the smartwatch for today. Okay, so it failed to copy to your watch. I wonder why. I'm going to try again. I'm going to press it 1 time. See what happens. Failing to copy. I don't know what's going on. But I guess like my regular account is really big. Like there's a lot of stuff tied to it. So I feel like, that'll probably be too much on the watch. But I'll probably figure out why later on. Watch battery, it's at 82%. It was charging for a long time, 82%. Battery estimate is based on your device usage. Over counted 15%, Bluetooth 15%, use since last full charge. Okay, so I probably plugged it out when I was charging it. My sister probably plugged it out. But there it is, tells the battery and everything. Let me go back. Watch faces is still loading, so should I set up the calories and things? Let me see how that looks. So basically you put your weight and everything in. Do I want to do that now? I gained a lot of weight. I went to the doctor today so I can put this in accurately. But I don't want them exposing me, Now, girl, you need to lose some weight. I don't want none of that to happen. So put that in. Height. I am 5'2". is, oh, we almost had my birthday settings right. Oh, Google got my settings wrong? Google. What's going on? Oh my gosh, Google really got, oh wow, Google. We've been together for way too long to be doing this. Yes, I am too late for it. Yeah, I'm thinking me and Google cool. Okay, so we got that right. So I'm gonna press next. And now it's showing me move minutes. You get move minutes for all your physical activity, including short strolls, dancing, and yoga. That sounds good. So that's the first one. And then you get heart points. Your score of heart points for doing activities at higher pace, like taking a brisk walk, increase intensity to earn more points. So that's that one. So when you see those stuff, they're basically rewarding you. So basically you're just pushing you to, motivating you to do more workouts. That sounds good. That's great. 68 calories. Oh my goodness. Anyways, watch faces is still loading. I really want to. The watch faces are currently syncing. Check back in a little while. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Cute. So basically, it's showing today's date. They show I have 0 movement, 0 like, strolls, 0 actual like intensity workouts today. Well, I mean, they don't know what I did today, so they're very judgmental right now. 0 steps, 68 calories, 0 miles, movements. So they track you like daily, Monday through Sunday. This is cool. That's really cool. I guess I'm gonna work out. Sorry, that's my sister. I'm gonna work out more now that they do this. But I like how they put my picture here. That's cute. My Google picture. With the filter on there. Of course, such a girl. Okay, and you can, if you forgot what it was about, they have it there in the about activity goals there. And then they say your profile. You guys don't need to see all that. Energy not set, distance not set, feet in inches, units pounds, distance not set. Okay. Oh. Well, I guess you could choose on what distance you want to go. Or what kind of energies you're going to be based on. I think I might do calories for energy. And I'm thinking I'm going to do miles for distance. I don't know, they had kilometers too, but I don't really work out, so I don't know what this is all about. Manage connected apps, delete your apps. So there's a place where you can delete your data. Oh, wow, okay. So be mindful when you press certain things, because I would hate to just start all over. So I'm showing you third party, your calendar, signing in. You use your Google account, sign into these sites. They can view your name, email address, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Windows, Pokemon Go, Quizlet. Ooh, you saying I could cheat in class? Oh my gosh. No, I'm not a cheater, guys. Anyways, so Windows. Okay, this is really nice. YouTube. Oh my gosh, they better stop playing with me. Oh, what are my AirPods? I don't know. I'll see how far that goes. I don't want to press delete your data because, I pressed it. Calories expended, height, weight. I guess like stuff like that. If you want to delete all that information you just put in, you can. That's good because I didn't want to go back and go through all that once again. My watch faces is still loading. Okay. It's showing the watch faces now. So that's fun. Right. Okay. Depends on which ones I like. I like the cityscape. I'm actually going to go through all of them so you guys can see. But right now I'm just going to go to advanced settings. And I don't like tilt awake because right now I need you to stay on screen. So I put it to stay on screen. I just switched it. It was just feeling too difficult for me to keep seeing what's going on. Okay, set it pause, waiting for Wi-Fi. That's not fun. Is there something I can do? I should have connected to a different Wi-Fi. So while I wait, waiting for the Wi-Fi. I should have connected to the other one. But they show your watch, of course, which one you have, and they have the different watch faces. So let's look at that. About my social, basically you connect to your Facebook or your Instagram, and whatever picture like you update your profile picture to, it's there, and then of course you're connected, like interacting with people from your Facebook or your Instagram. So that's interesting too. So I started getting a little nervous when I was touching the screen. I'm like, this probably could really break if like something really happened. Like if I was to rub it, because I know it's with my watch. I put my watch. Oh my gosh. But anyways, my other watch, like if I rub it against something, it'll get like scratches and stuff. So I decided to go on Amazon. Oh, I forgot I changed the brightness. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm going on Amazon and just like pray. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you racist. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to see more stuff, let me know. Just drop in the comments. And that concludes.